Hello and welcome back to the channel. My name is John and today we are going to diagnose this chainsaw here. It's a Homelite 240. I can't get it working. I can't get it running. It's got issues. I think I'm going to crack into the carb today, see if we can fix that or replace that. I picked up this chainsaw about probably 20 years ago for about $25 used. And it's a good light chainsaw for around the house usage. You know, cutting limbs and branches and things like that. I'd like to get it working again. I pick it up with one arm. It's very light. It's just a good utility chainsaw for around the house. Let's try to start it first of all. I'll put a little fuel in there and see if we can start it, and I'll show you what's happening. All right, I'm just gonna put a little fuel in there. See if it'll run. I haven't tried starting this for so long. It's on, stop, run, and up is choke. What you want to do is just put one foot on the handle down here and then just give it a few yanks. I don't think there's a primer anywhere on here, so all right, it's not even hitting. I think we got to take out the carb. Check it out. I believe the carb is right under here. Tell you what, let's take off this air filter first. This thing is pretty gumped up. All right, before I do anything, I'm just gonna give this a quick spray of starting fluid. Don't really want to do this for two-stroke engines, but this is not gonna hurt it, I don't think. Okay, maybe it's working just fine. All right, well, sounds like the carb needs to be tweaked a little bit, but I'm gonna say we solved the problem for now. I guess sometimes you just need a little starting fluid. You know, ideally you'll probably put a little bit of gas and oil mixture in here, but again, a little puff like that to start something like this after it hasn't started for a while, I don't think that's going to hurt anything. Please let me know if I'm wrong down in the comments. And was that going to, like, you know, hurt the engine anyway? I'd really like to know. I'm going to clean off the air filter and put this back together. Let's put this thing to work.